Yo, 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 yo. What's up, YouTube? This Chance with Main Street Carpet Cleaners. I need a haircut, man. I ain't gonna lie. Sorry if I look real bad. My beard look bad. I got a hat on. My head look bad, but it's No Shave November. And today is the 23rd. Thanksgiving tomorrow, so I've been busy all week, 2 weeks straight, honestly. Like this dude, like I be busy, but like this is like busy. So I've been busy since 2 weeks ago. I've been working every day, so I'm just striving to continue to grow my business. Try to be successful at what I do, no shortcuts. All right, so about to get this 2-bedroom going. Already sprayed. Time to get some CRB action. Stay tuned. CRB going. It's not clean. Like the CRB make it look clean, but I'll sting it right after. So all right, just got done doing my CRB. All this dirt. So, pretty sure they're gonna be happy with the results. But the guy who's living here, he moved, so he gave me a lock pad code. So, it's gonna look like 2 bedrooms, nothing major. So, get ready to start. Turn back on. Much better. Time to spray some deodorizer in here. So the deodorizer I'm using is a spice cinnamon smell. So just gonna give it that seasonal fragrance. We all done. Hope I post some more for y'all.